Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So this is a question I get every time, either in my comment section or people who want to join my mentorship. Many people ask me this question. Let me sit here. Many people ask me this question: Esther, if you are to teach me how to do forex trading, can you teach me like a 2-year-old? Like, can you teach me like a 3-year-old? And sometimes I thought people are not serious, but I came to realize people think forex is so hard, and the terminologies that are used are very, very hard, to a point I'm now taking it seriously, guys, because I need to come here and tell you forex is not hard. And if you want me to teach you like a 2-year-old, like a 3-year-old, I'm here to teach you like a 2-year-old, like a 3-year-old. What you need to understand is that the market has faces. The market has a story. The market has the who's and the whoever, like the market makers are there. The banks are there. Everyone is coming in this market to profit. So as much as it's a 6 trillion volume traded every day, it is not you come in, you take your money and go. At the end of the day, even if it is not as easy as it may sound, it's not hard. And today I have listened to you guys, those who tell me to teach forex like a 2-year-old, like a 3-year-old. I'm here to tell you my take on this. So I have 5 mantras that I always keep saying, like I keep pondering, like meditating in my mind. I keep asking myself, if you know these 5 things, you guys, you have said, I teach you forex like a 2-year-old, like a 3-year-old. Kindly, if you're offended, sorry. That's the comments I've been getting. People asking me to teach them forex like a 2-year-old. I want you to ask yourself 5 things. Do you know when to buy? Like if at all you are told buy, can you know the market, the right time to buy in your market? Do you know when to sell? Do you know when to hold? Do you know when to exit? And do you know even when to avoid? So today, let me, on this video, because I don't want to be too long, I want to ask you guys, can you know when to buy? Like if this is a pair, if this is GBP USD, am I supposed to buy? Let's start from there. So teaching you like a 1-year-old, like a 2-year-old, like a 3-year-old, I need to tell you, when do you buy the market, or when is the right time to buy in this market? And for me, if you want to buy any market, I know many people say market structure, it has to be uptrend. That is not enough, because many markets are uptrend, but still they sell and they will take away your money. I want you to get 3 patterns. You need to be friends with forex pattern. If you want to make it in this forex industry, you need to be friends with forex pattern. So I'll give you 3 forex patterns that if today, even if you don't know anything else, even if you don't know how to sell the market, but you can know how to buy, you'll have gone one step ahead. So today I'll give you 3 patterns that if at all you don't know these patterns and you have never practiced on them, there's nothing you're doing. Even if you're gaining money, it's by luck. So if you're watching me, you have not been profitable, try these patterns. Number 1, when to buy. You have to be very familiar with double bottoms. Double bottoms. So if you don't know about double bottoms, that's the reason, guys. You have to be familiar with a double bottom pattern. The other thing, when to buy, it's a failed double bottom. This pattern that is formed, it forms a cup and handle. So if you don't know how failed double bottom happens, that's the reason. And the last but not the least, there are so many things that make you buy the market, but I'm giving you only 3. The third thing that can make you buy a certain market is a channel break on the resistance. Let's say the market has been ranging, and then the price break resistance, and then using BWA that I teach my mentorship program or my students, using BWA, you can know if to enter immediately or you wait for retest. So even if you wait for retest, that's a good way. That's an entry for buy. So if you're watching me and you don't know the 3 things, start from there. Guys, Forex is not hard. It is not hard. Like right now, let me show you something. I was in a place. I had brought my kids for swimming. So this is a tag. Even me, I wanted to go for swimming. It was sunny and it was a good day. We are here to to come and swim. But after we went to changing room, and I was not even to do this video. When we went to changing room and my babies were like, they were in their swimming costumes, it started raining, guys. Like, it rained seriously. Like, I felt sorry for them, how they were anticipating to come for a swim. They had their swimming costume, the anticipation, and then it started raining. Guys, when it rains, for me, I don't like my kids to be in the swimming pool because, Homer's the cold. I told them, go and change, we'll come next time, because of course we wanted to come here. I even, like, I've left so many things just to be in this place, and I've told them, go and change, it is raining, we'll come next time. I went to talk to the management because we had already paid the swimming fee, and they said you can come another time, no problem. So they went and changed. So that's how the market is, guys. That's how exactly the market is. You might be right, but the market does not want to move. So as we were right, we had done everything, we had paid, we had done everything. As we were going in the water, it starts raining. So if you get it, you get it. Sometimes you may analyze your chart, you may analyze everything, but still the market doesn't want to sell, the market doesn't want to buy. What do? You wait and come back again. So whenever you know when to buy, three things I've said: double bottom, failed double top, and channel break. So here we are going to take some lunch and then we go home. Sun is coming back, but I don't trust the sun. I know it will rain and I don't want my babies to have cold. So you need to be prepared. You need to be very tough with the market. If the situation changes, don't change. As we won't change, the swimming pool is not the problem. We are not the problem. It's the weather. It is out of our control, guys. Even if I want them to swim, the weather is not okay. So at the end of the day, what can I do? I wait, I come back when the weather is fine. So at the end of the day, if you want me to teach you Forex like a 1-year-old, 2-year-old, like a 3-year-old, first know the three things. Know the three things. If you want to buy in any market, starts from there. Do I have a double bottom? Do I have failed double top? Do I have a channel break? All this is explained in my mentorship program. So if you want to join my mentorship, I have classes January. I'll be teaching my students. Sometimes I may want to tell you everything, but it takes a lot of time. Like, if this video I start getting into the chat, it can be 30 minutes, and I don't want it to be long. It's just that I saw how my babies were so sad, like they were crying. They didn't want to come out of the water, but it was raining. So at the end of the day, we'll come back when the weather is okay, and that's exactly the same thing. You don't need to trade. You need to trade when everything settles and everything supports you. So if your analysis are okay and the market seems not to go your way, just have patience, guys. So three things, if you get those three things, just get those three things and you'll start seeing improvement. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me go take my lunch and then go home. Bye bye. Love you.